Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. I just wanted to drop in, check on everyone, see how everyone is currently doing. I hope all is well. I just wanted to go over my second budget by Paycheck for the month of August. I'm really not sure what my income would be, so I just wanted to base the income off of the previous income that I did receive. So when it comes to the income, I'm just going to budget for $1,345, and when it comes to the rent, I am budgeting for $363 this time. For Discover, I am budgeting for $100, and for car insurance, I'm going to budget for $156.00. Instead of budgeting for the amount that I said, I'm just going to round it to the nearest dollar, so I'm going to budget for $157. And what I'm going to do is put the remaining amount from the $157 into my savings, which would only be 93 cents. So when you add all of those up, you do get $620. For emergency funds, I am going to budget for $210. For cash envelopes, I am going to budget for $285. For sinking funds, those would be the same at $165. And the total amount for that, or for this category here, is $660. And if you're wondering why you see ABC on the paper, so these things right here are very important. So A would be the first one, and they would just mean that I would pay those bills before paying anything else or giving money to any other category. For emergency funds, that is pretty important too. To me it is anyway. So it has an A beside it. When it comes to cash envelopes, I did put a B beside it because I can change those if needed. For sinking funds, it's the same thing. It's a B, and I can change those if needed. For mom's birthday, right now I'm not going to budget for anything. For not budgeted, I'm not going to budget. Well, I'm going to budget $65 for not budgeted. And these three bills here, I'm not going to budget anything. Those would be the last thing that I would pay if I decide to pay anything on those accounts. As you remember from the previous budget video, which I will link above, kind of went overboard. For my FICO and Netflix, I use my credit card to pay for those, so those are at the bottom, which I'm not really including those in my budget. And when it comes to the money management cash envelope page for fast food, I am budgeting for $40. For groceries, I'm budgeting for $200. We've been pretty much shopping what we currently have, and we definitely need to go grocery shopping again. For personal, I am budgeting for $20, and for gas, I'm going to go ahead and budget for $25. Now remember, if you do like the template or the pages that you do see, I did get them from EMichelle Studio, and I will have that information linked below. Now when it comes to this page here, typically if you would have debt, you would track your debt here, but I'm using this page for my sinking funds to see if it would be better than the previous page that I actually used. So when it comes to the sinking funds, I will white everything out later. So for gifts, ride share, health, vacation, and car maintenance. And my writing, of course, is a little off since I don't really have anything to hold my pages down so I can write better. For gifts, I am budgeting for $40, which all of these payments are automatic except for car maintenance, but when I get paid, I'll just move it from my checking account to the correct account. For ride share, I'm budgeting for $5. For health, I'm budgeting for $50. Vacation, $20. And car maintenance. And that's it for the budget video for the second paycheck for August. I do hope that you all have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And if you are already subscribed, thanks for joining again.